so much of this.
Just wait till you burn.
Yeah, wait till tonight.
Or like,
Yeah, like
cheese
a cheddar.
whiz.
Yeah, cheese.
What's up, you guys? Kiliancha here, and we're still here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and the durian season has just started, and so we're gonna be doing a durian taste test, and this one specifically is a
Musang King, the most famous.
we're gonna taste different kinds of durian, and yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know what's gonna happen
It
later.
smells
coming out.
really good.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go.
What's the total price?
No, for this.
Musang King.
25 ringgit.
Good durian, yeah. Oh, very nice.
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 Sweet lah.
Yeah.
From Pahang?
From this one from Johor Baru.
Johor Baru.
Yeah.
Johor Baru.
Johor Baru from durian.
This one. Sedap.
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 Yeah.
This one.
This one the nice durian. Yeah. Oh.
That's good?
What the sweet? Which sweet?
That means good?
Yeah.
Manis ah.
Manis. Dia putih, dia manis.
Durian apa namanya? Durian susu.
Sedap ah, sedap.
They call this the milky durian.
Milky durian.
This one Udang Merah. Oh.
Ah. SG.
Yang ni yang mana bang?
Ni Musang King.
Musang King.
So I thought it would be sad to do the taste test alone, and so I invited Luke and Sabrina of Chopstick Travel and
Hi, guys.
Ian of Reckless Escapades right here. We're gonna be trying all these in today's episode. So we're gonna start with,
XO, right?
which one's XO?
I think this one is XO.
Okay.
And then, but this one's also XO, but he
milky
said this
one.
is like the milky version.
Yeah.
So maybe we should just start with the regular.
Okay.
Okay.
This is my first time eating
What?
durian in like 15 years.
15 years.
XO.
Oh, it's good.
It's
So
like
creamy.
creamy, bitter, and sweet at the same time.
This one's
Slightly
not.
fermented.
Yeah, it's not very fermented. This one though, it's really sweet. What do you think, Ian?
I think it's pretty good actually. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Wait till you burn.
Yeah. Wait till tonight. Yeah, I've never had
It's
this
sweet.
before.
Durian manis ah.
Yeah, I'll get this.
Ian gets a big piece. All right. Oh, it feels like more firm.
Yeah.
That was quite different.
Outer part has
There's like a film on the outside, and it's got like a little bit of a chewiness to it.
Yeah. It's a little more stinky.
I think there's more like fiber outside of it.
This one has a
Here's
different
Sabrina.
color. This thing's
Yeah,
so
red
good.
prawn, right?
Yeah.
Red prawn, maybe.
It's a deeper yellow.
It's almost like cheese or like
Yeah, like
cheese
a cheddar.
whiz.
Cheddar. Yeah, cheese.
Yeah,
whiz.
Exactly.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I like this one too. It's not as strong. There's not really
Not as
fermented
sweet.
flavor.
So far, what's your favorite?
This one. Yeah, this one.
XO. The
I
very
think
first one.
I like the Susu. I can't imagine I'm feasting durian. It's my second time, and you were the first ones to have me try this.
Durian that we ate in the Philippines, does it grow in the Philippines?
I think in Davao. Yeah, in the
Oh, in
southern
Davao,
part,
right.
Yeah.
We have to go there.
Yes, next time. In Davao.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Nice.
The perfect piece.
How much does it get this
This one, 45 kg, right?
45,
45 per kg.
Yeah.
That is the sweetest one. And the tastiest, I think.
Wow. That's completely different.
I think
It's got a bitterness as well.
Yeah.
it's the creamiest.
Yeah.
Yes, for
and there's the
sure.
most like fruit on. Like the seed is way smaller than the seeds on this part.
Yeah. The seed's quite small, but there's a lot of
The
fruit
flavor
on
is
it.
like completely different actually.
Yeah.
That one's beautiful.
Wow.
After eating the other durians, you can taste the difference big time.
Yeah.
This is the dessert durian. I like that one the most.
Me
What
too.
do you think?
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
The small one. It's actually good, but I'm still having second thoughts. Then let me try it now.
This one must be the one that they make like the durian candies in the cake, because this is like the durian flavor that you taste when you eat like something flavored like durian.
We just finished with the taste test of different kinds of durian. I think that we all agreed that Musang King was the best of all kinds. But now we're gonna try Chendol durian. So let's see how durian tastes with Chendol. Chendol is like their halo-halo here. Just found a Chendol store a few steps from the durian stall, and now she's gonna make some Chendol for us. Sugar? We got 3 cups of Chendol to go, and we're gonna eat them.
You turning it.
Okay, turn it up. So we're gonna eat these 3 cups of Chendol with some durian, so we can finish all of them. So we have our Chendol, and we're gonna transfer them in the bowl.
So when you have halo, is it green like this, the Chendol?
This one's different because it's like long strands of jelly.
Okay, yeah.
The ones we have are like square
Right,
jellies.
right.
So sweet.
It's so sweet. I like the coconut, but I don't like how sweet it is. Too sweet for me.
Too sweet, yeah.
Yeah. I like the jelly.
I think it's because of that cream corn as well.
Yes.
Made it a bit sweet.
I like it. It's good.
Durian Susu with some Chendol. Super sweet.
What do you think with the durian? Is it mixed together?
I like this, but it's too sweet. But I think it will go well if it's not too sweet. I mean. What a durian feast.
I'm stuffed. That was delicious stuff.
We had a lot of durian.
Yeah, we did.
Only your second time, but what do you think?
Yeah, that's too much.
Better in
For the second
Malaysia?
time, I think better, yeah, because I got to try different types of durian.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a good experience. Thank you so much, Chopstick Travel, for joining me again. First in Manila, second in Kuala Lumpur. What's next?
Who knows? We'll see.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video here in Kuala Lumpur.
See ya. Do you have gloves?
Ada sarung tangan tak, Bang?
One time we were walking through the jungle in where were we?
In Bali.
In Bali, and a durian like fell right in front of us, and it was like a big
Smashed
one,
on the
maybe like
ground.
2.5 kgs, and it was like right in front of us, and we were like, and then we were like, awesome, we'll eat it. But then some little kid came running out of the woods, and he like grabbed the durian and
ran
took
off.
it away.
Durian fact, I don't have it.
If you eat durian, it actually increases your libido.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I've heard that it like increases your body temperature.
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
So we have to eat mangosteen after this,
Right,
right?
cool down, yeah.
Drink a lot of water.
And water, yeah. Soup. Why is that so funny?
Oh, lama saya.
Musang King last.
This one
No good. Oh, sedap.
It's very fatty because
Susu durian.
Yeah. Lemak. Lemak.
Durian susu.
Good for your
Durian susu ah?
durian susu susah nak cari.
Apa cakap?
Durian nenen.
Apa namanya? Cakap ini apa?
Durian nenen.
Durian manis, durian susu.
durian
Ni,
Durian
manis.
Panai.
Ada tu bang, bang. Bang, kau udang merah bang, udang merah bang. Bang. Udang merah tu bertanduk bang, lelok angkat bang.
Ini bang eh?
Tu udang merah bang, bertanduk bang, awas lelok nampak bang tu.
Oh.
Hop, this one the udang merah.
Udang
Apa tadi
merah.
cakap ni? Meat. Durian meat.
Ah.